Three, two, one, start. The alleged motive for attacking Professor Jacob was that he incorporated a question for the internal examination of BCom paper criticizing Prophet Muhammad and Islam. Full stop. The prosecution case is that the respondent gave medical aid to one of the wounded accused in pursuance of a previous plan that if and when any of the assailants got injured in the attack on Professor Jacob, then immediate medical treatment would be given by the respondent to the injured. Full stop. The respondent stitched the back of an assailant, which is not the job of a dentist. Full stop. The respondent, along with the other accused, is a member of the Popular Front of India, a Muslim organization, and was head of its medical committee. Full stop. Certain documents, CDs, mobile phone, books, etc., including a book called Jihad, were allegedly seized from his house and car. Full stop paragraph. The prosecution has placed reliance on the proviso to Section 43D of the Unlawful Activities Act, 1967, which states that the accused shall not be released on bail if the court, on perusal of the case diary or the report under Section 173 CRPC, is of the opinion that there are reasonable grounds for believing that the accusation against such person is prima facie true. Full stop para. On the other hand, the case of the respondent as disclosed in the counter affidavit filed before us is that even according to the prosecution case, the respondent was not one of the assailants, and he is not named in the FIR. Full stop. In para 13 of the counter affidavit, the respondent has stated that the attack on Professor Jacob is a crime which is to be condemned. Full stop. However, as a pretext to the investigation, the police had lashed out a reign of terror on innocent people of the minority community, people who are totally innocent or even had no knowledge of the crime have been falsely implicated. Full stop. 54 persons have been made accused in the crime. Full stop. Many residential houses, mosques, and offices were raided and searched, and even minor children and women were cruelly tortured, both physically and mentally. Full stop. Holy books and other religious books were thrown out, seized and taken away and bundled in police stations. Full stop. War-like atmosphere was created in mosques, daily prayers were disrupted and men illegally detained, and physically tortured in custody and false cases booked against innocents. Full stop para. It is further alleged in the counter affidavit that the Popular Front of India or the Social Democratic Party of India are not militant or terrorist organizations. Full stop. There is no history of crimes against the party or its workers. Full stop. They are not banned organizations. Full stop. The SDPI is a political party recognized by the Election Commission, and the PFI is registered under the Societies Registration Act Full stop para. The respondent has alleged that he is a dental surgeon hailing from a respectable family in Alua. Full stop. His father, late Dr. Abdul Karim, was a doctor loved and respected by all, who died as a civil surgeon while working in the government hospital, Perambarur, full stop. In 2001, the respondent started Al Amin Multi Speciality Dental Hospital in Aluva, full stop. Five other doctors, including the respondent's wife, who is also a dental surgeon, are working in the said hospital, full stop. The respondent has a son aged 9 years and daughter aged 5 years, full stop. He claims that he has a very good reputation and is loved by all due to the services rendered by him to the poor and needy. Full stop. The respondent's elder sister is a postgraduate in zoology, and his younger sister is a law graduate. Full stop. The book entitled Jihad, said to have been found in his house, was a Malayalam translation of a book written in Urdu in 1927 by a well-known and respected religious scholar, Maulana Sayyid Abdul Allah Mandudi, and has been in circulation for 83 years, and is available in many bookshops. Full stop. The respondent has alleged that he has been falsely implicated only because he medically treated one of the alleged assailants. Full stop para. At this stage, we are not expressing any opinion as to whether the allegations in the versions of the prosecution or defense are correct or not, as evidence has yet to be laid, however, we would like to make certain observations, para. We are presently only considering the bail matter and are not deciding whether the respondent is guilty or not. Full stop. Evidence has yet to be laid and the trial yet to commence. Full stop. Hence, the prosecution is yet to establish by Professor beyond reasonable doubt that the respondent was part of a conspiracy which led to the attack on Professor Jacob. Full stop. The case against the respondent is very different from that against the alleged assailants as he was not there. Stop.